Okay, I have started recording also. Now let's start it. So there are two main component of website, which I have already explained you yesterday. The one that is front end, and the other one is the back end. Okay, and the front end is what you see as a user on the website. So when you open a website and by typing the URL into the Google, after that, whichever things you are seeing on the websites and that any user is seeing, that is known as front end. Actually, that is seeing to the real world. The back end is the technology that is used to actually decide what to show you on the front end. So it's the hello, yes. So this is the backend. Actually, backend is the responsible for making the things how the things are looking on the front end. Okay. So front end revolves around the three technologies. One is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So front end basically was made up of three technologies, three languages. That is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay. After that, you will hear about front-end technologies such as jQuery and Bootstrap. That I also explained it yesterday about that. Bootstrap is actually it's a platform where you can find the pre-built some sections of website like header, footer. That is one another section that is buttons and you can find cards of websites for making any cards and you can also find one full web page also from the bootstrap, but those are all related to the templates, how you can take the template from the bootstrap. You can also take the template of full websites, which we will discuss later. Okay, but Bootstrap, those are all built using the previous three. So these things, Bootstrap and jQuery and these technologies was made up of by three languages, that is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So whenever you take any section, any parts from the Bootstrap, so probability is that is made up of HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. Most of the time from HTML, CSS. Okay. HTML is hypertext markup language. Everyone knows about that. And every website will have HTML. It is the structure of a page. So in the world, every website is started from the HTML only. So that is defined the structure of a page. Okay. And you can view it by right clicking and selecting page source. That is already I have shown you yesterday. Okay. Yeah, how you can see the website by right click on the and right click on any websites. So when you right click, you can see the view page source, and when you click on view page source, you are able to see the HTML code of that website. Okay. Another one, that is CSS, and you know CSS is cascading style sheet. That is CSS is the actual styling of the websites, and colors, fonts, borders, etc. is all defined by CSS. And CSS is not mandatory, but almost all sites have it. So you know CSS is the thing which is used to design and style the any websites, and HTML is the thing which is define the structure of anything. You can understand this with one example, that is you know our body bone structure is like HTML, and after that our skin and these things full body is like CSS. Okay, and when our body is moving and doing anything, that is that is with that is happening with the help of JavaScript. You know, you can understand this thing like that. So JavaScript allows us and you to add interactivity to the websites, uh, including we are using many programming logic in JavaScript. With the help of JavaScript, we can build many logics, and these logics are using to make interactive our web pages. Any site with interactivity uses JavaScript in some way, otherwise the site is static. So, so that website which have not any JavaScript in the form of interactivity, or the website which have not any dynamic functionality, that is known as static website. Okay. So the first half of the course focus on the front end. In this course, we will focus on the front end first half of the course, and the front end always uses those three technologies. However, the back end is where a multitude of options come up. So in front end, we will focus on these HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, and Bootstrap technologies. However, in the back end, we have multiple options also available. But in this course, we have Django. Okay, I will talk about that. So the backend of a website has three components: the language, the framework, and database. So the language which I have chosen, that is Python language for that backend, because I will use the framework, that is Django. That Django is the Python framework. And for the database, I will use the SQLite. Okay. So technologies such as PHP, Node.js, Ruby Rails, Java, Python, these are all viable options for a website. Okay. And but from that we are using only one language, which is what? Can anyone tell? Which is what?
Python.
Okay, Python. So how do we decide which to choose? So we decide with the knowledge of ourselves actually. So which language you are comfortable, on the basis of that you can do your okay. Now my screen is visible, everyone. uh, can everyone
No, sir. Not visible to me.
not visible?
Yes, sir. Not visible.
Okay, but I am sharing the screen and the screen is not visible. Okay, let me share again. Okay, Tejas, I will tell you why Django rather than Flask. So notice. So Python is a great language to learn, and it is a simple, powerful, and has many libraries. So we are using many libraries. So anyone can tell me what is the meaning of libraries? What what is actually the uh, means of library in Python, in any programming? Sneha, yes, I want to know the answer from you if you know about the libraries.
A set of code where code is stored.
Okay, I will ask by name. Okay, so
Okay.
Sneha, are you here? Sneha,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
so yes, I want to know the answer from you.
Sir, it is a collection of codes
Okay, collection of
that we
code.
can use in our programs.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, so it is the collection of code which is using in our any programs in our websites. So with the help of that, we are able to add any functionality which is available in that code. Everyone understand? So in this course, we will use many libraries of Python. So Django is the most popular framework for Python. It's fast and secure and scalable. SQLite comes with Django and Python, making it an easy choice. So majority of softwares and websites we are making with the help of Django and Python. We are using SQLite database that is more compatible with that actually. So our choice is making website with the help of this. Okay, SQLite. So with the help of SQLite, we will make our database. Okay. So as we continue along with the course, we'll be discussing each of these topics in much more detail. But for now, you should have a high level view of what we use in this course to turn you into a full stack web developer with Django. So everyone have idea what we gonna learn from this course. So I think everyone have idea. So please raise hands whenever I ask any question. Please raise hands, everyone. So that I understand everyone is available in the class. When I will ask any question, any small question,
Yes, sir.
anything, so everyone, I want everyone will raise hands. Okay. So Divya is available in the class or not? No. Disa, Asta, Aditya, Vishal Gupta. Okay. Zakir. From next section, I will take the attendance of every students, and those have not joined the class. I will definitely will report this to the team, and you will face the consequences. Okay. So let's get started this course. So first of all, I will tell you about the. So first of all, I will tell you about. We will use one IDE. So what is IDE? Can anyone tell me what is IDE? Yes, Aditya.
Integrated development learning environment.
Okay. So IDE is integrated development in environment. So there are many IDEs available in the market. One is a Sublime Text Editor, another is Visual Studio Code, another is PyCharm, and the next is Atom, and Jupyter also available. So there are many IDEs available, but in this course we will use one that is Atom. So Atom is more helpful for Python projects, for Django projects. That's why we are using Atom. But we can use any IDs. If you are using Visual Studio Code or any other IDs, you can use. No worry. Okay. So I have already installed Atom. So that is simple uh, steps available for downloading that Atom. So simply you will go to the browser. Okay. So you will go to the browser and search the Atom text editor. Okay, Atom text editor. Then you will find this first link. Okay, Atom editor. So on this link you can go directly and you will click on this download Atom. After that you will go to this repository And in this repository, you will find this is the GitHub actually. So which is not known about the GitHub. Actually, GitHub is the very important place for developers. Developers are using for storing their codes and full source code of their websites and their projects, and they are contributing here, and they can contribute in open source development environment also from this GitHub. So we are making repositories in our personal space for storing our source code of any projects. So here Atom company have stored their source code and all the files in one repository. So from here you will click on Atom setup x64.exe. So after clicking on that, you are able to download the .exe file. Okay, executable files. So this executable files, when you click on it, it will automatically install the Atom software in your system. So that's it. Okay. So I want everyone after this session, everyone will do the Atom installation in your system so that you can do the practice of every session. Okay.
Yes.
Now Divya is able to join meeting or not?
Sir, I guess she is in the waiting room.
Okay, okay. Let me admit. I think now Divya is available. Hello, Divya. Hello.
Yes.
Okay. So actually, Zoom provides the 30 minutes for free meetings. That's why after 30 within 30 minutes, when we completed 30 minutes, this meeting automatically closed. So what you all do, directly go to that link in our group, then click on that link, and you are able to uh, come to the next meeting. Okay, then we'll continue further. So this is the actually limitation for us. Okay, I hope you all understand about how to install Atom software. Okay, let me start my Atom software, and so this is the view of Atom. Here you can see this is the edit one ID. This is the IDE which we will use in this course for making our projects. Okay. So when you install it, this software, you will open this like that. So after that, what you will do? You will make a one folder in any location in your system. Then you need to add that folder here. Okay. So I already made this folder in our technocrowd folder, my Django stamp, and I will select this. And after selecting this, will come here. Okay. So actually, I have put my two PPT here, so these PPTs are showing also. But we'll made here one file in which we will discuss about HTML. Okay, actually I will practice about HTML. So first I will start with the basic HTML. So in this course we have two parts actually. One is HTML basic part 1 and another is HTML uh, part 2. So let's start by exploring the very basics of what an HTML file looks and how we can open it in a browser. So first what we'll do today, we will make a simple file of HTML website HTML code, and then this file we will open in browser. Okay. Plus we'll learn about some Atom text editor convenience features to quickly create HTML files. So we will talk about one feature. With the help of that, we will quickly make uh, a complete HTML websites and complete HTML page. And I'm going to jump to the Atom text editor here now. Okay, all right. So as a quick, you can either just code along and create new files in the project folder that are provided for you as a okay. So so in this folder, you can directly go to the path in your file explorer and you can make any file here also directly. But I want to tell you, you directly go to here and right click on in Atom editor, and here you click new file. So here you will give the name of your file. Okay, so you can always just right click and collect a new file like that, and or just add a whole new project folder also you can see. So it's I have called it HTML. So I will take the name of this website like one.html. Okay, one.html. So this is our first file. You should always try to replace them with something like an what you want to name of our of your file. So we have here one.html. Okay, so in this one.html, one thing I want to show you is I can begin to type HTML. So when you type HTML, our text editor Atom will show you automatically this pop-up. So with the help of this arrow sign, you can directly will get the whole code. When you click on this, you are able to get the complete HTML uh, doc type file in which we have HTML header and title inside header, and then after header we have body, then we have HTML close text. So I hope everyone understand about it. So this is the complete HTML. This is the starting HTML file in which we are starting our HTML with the help of this tag, and here you can put these things. We will talk about this language and these direction, these things. This, what is this meta here? Cat set UTF-8. So this is not the lecture for discussing about this. This is the lecture about telling about you how the HTML look like. I hope everyone are able to see the HTML code. So basically this head will contain the metadata. So metadata, what is the metadata? You can go to the Google and search about it. So what is metadata? And head, we have one section that is HTML. No, sorry, that is title. In title, we'll type anything. So we'll do this is our title. Okay, exclamatory marks. So which things which you want to write, you can write your name also. Then you will close that title with the help of this closing tag. Okay. And in the body, we will do everything about our web page. That is header, footer, and body section. These all things